Can flight attendants wear a nose ring? What if it's small and cute? Let's find out what the airlines really say. The short answer is, most airlines do not allow visible nose rings while wearing the uniform. Why? Because cabin crew represent the airline's image. Airlines want crew to look professional, neat, and clean. Here's why nose rings are usually not allowed. They can look unprofessional to some passengers. Different cultures have different views on face piercings. Airlines want to look the same all over the world, neutral and simple. Let's look at some examples. Emirates, no visible facial piercings at all. Qatar Airways, nose rings not allowed. Etihad Airways, same, no face jewelry. British Airways, only small clear studs may be allowed for some roles. Virgin Atlantic, recently more relaxed with appearance but nose rings still not for cabin crew. Some crew wear nose rings off duty, but when they go to work, they take them off before wearing the uniform. So yes, you can have a nose piercing, but you can't show it while working.